Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is Making It Happen with Mary and I am Mary. Today's video, y'all, I want to holla at y'all about that new one from Pink, Very Vanilla. You guys, I got some thoughts today on this one. And we are going to be talking not only about Very Vanilla, but we're going to be comparing it to some other vanilla scents that Pink has brought out. Some are fire, baby, fire. Before we get too much into today's video, y'all, of course, today's lip is by me. It is Goddess. However, Goddess got a makeover, y'all. Yes, your girl, she had to get a makeover. Look how pretty she is, yo. She is a beautiful golden gloss infused with a lot of high shine golden glitter. The formulation did not change, just the packaging. I'm really trying to streamline my packaging because these older ones, you can see they have a smaller wand. And I'm all about getting that product on your lips, girl. These new ones have that real big doe foot applicator, which I absolutely love. And did I mention that Goddess smells like banana cream pie? Oh, yes, yes, yes. You definitely want some Goddess, absolutely. She is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and snatch some up. I just restocked her for the first time in a very long time. Repackaged, fresh and ready for fall. And yes, let's hop into this video, y'all. Okay, Very Vanilla. Ho, 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 ho. Scent notes are crumb cake, cinnamon sugar, and vanilla drizzle. It says a nostalgic and edible freshly baked treat topped with cream, drizzled in warm vanilla. Oh, I love this one. It literally smells like, to me, like those little individual wrapped cinnamon crumb cakes, like those coffee cakes for breakfast. Do you remember those? I don't know who did it, if it was Hostess, Little Debbie, but that is what this smells like 100%. This is fire, y'all, fire. My only complaint on this scent, the longevity is not the greatest. I've seen Pink do longevity far better than this one. However, I am willing to overspray all day. But if you are not, please keep that in mind. Yes, absolutely. It smells like a cinnamon crumb coffee cake. That's exactly what it smells like. It is gorgeous. But let's get into some comparisons. Y'all, the first one I wanted to compare it to was Spiced Vanilla. I want to say Spiced Vanilla came out, was it last fall? I want to say it was last fall. It is Vanilla Woods, Cardamom, Coconut Flakes, and it says, imagine the ultimate warm toasted cookie. I do love this. However, the cardamom note in here is very heavy. The coconut is in the background. If you are not a fan of cardamom, I do not think you would have liked this scent. But it is absolutely beautiful. I do love this for fall. This is my second bottle. Should give you, but I'm also a cardamom lover. But in comparison, this is definitely much more gourmand. This Very Vanilla is much more gourmand, like that coffee cake scent with the cinnamon. Whereas this has that super heavy cardamom note. It's beautiful, but there is a huge difference between these two. These are nothing alike. Now this one that came out, I want to say this was past spring. No, wait a minute. This was last year too, I think. I can't remember. I think it was last year. Vanilla and Dreamy. I think it was the very end of the year, around Christmas time this dropped. It is Fluffy Vanilla, Golden Caramel, and Coconut Cloud. And it doesn't have any little staining on the back. I'm shocked, but yeah. This one is very reminiscent to me of Tea's Creme Cloud. You definitely get notes of caramel. There's a very fluffy vanilla, almost a lactonic vanilla with like milky notes. The little bit of coconut that is in here is way in the background. In comparison, these two, this one is much richer and deeper, more gourmand, whereas this has lactonic notes. It's fluffier, it's airier. Oh my God. They're both absolutely beautiful. They probably would layer beautifully, absolutely beautifully. But this is definitely very, very different from Very Vanilla. So Very Vanilla, Vanilla and Dreamy. And actually they kind of, Vanilla and Dreamy is a great name for this because it is very kind of like cloud-like feelings that it evokes in you. It's because it's so airy, an airy type of vanilla. It's gorgeous though, y'all. Oh, yes, yes, yes. The very last one I have to compare it to is Warm Vanilla. I want to say this one came out, this was last year too. So all three of these dropped last year. All three of them. Yeah, Warm Vanilla. It is shaved cinnamon, pumpkin cream, and marshmallow fluff. I cannot really read the damn writing. Look how little this writing is, y'all. Look how little that is. My old ass eyes can't read that small print. Can't they print this just a tiny bit bigger? Or at least do it in darker font or darker color so I can see it? But anyway, let's get into the scent. Oh my God, I love this one too. I am so stoked and excited to bring out all of my fall scents from Victoria's Secret, Pink, Bath and Body Works. I love the fragrances and scents that tend to be released in the fall time, and this was not a disappointment in that aspect. This smells like how Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte from Bath and Body Works should smell. Like based on that name alone, you would think it would smell like this, but that one is more like, it's different. It's different, y'all. I did just drop a review video about that a couple days ago, so go check it out if you haven't. This one, you definitely get notes of cinnamon, a very creamy type of a pumpkin. You get marshmallow, and there's even notes of caramel in here. Definitely exudes and embodies fall. Like it screams fall. This does too, but in its own way. Whereas this is along the pumpkin vibe. This is along that crumb coffee cake you be having in the morning. Absolutely. Absolutely. Maybe you'd have it with that pumpkin latte you be sipping on. They're both extraordinary. However, this one definitely has notes of pumpkin. You get notes of like caramel and cinnamon in it. It's all actually, this is also a lot creamier in comparison to Very Vanilla. Very Vanilla, again, is very gourmand, but there's not creaminess about this. This definitely has creamy notes. I absolutely love it, absolutely love it. So is Very Vanilla anything like any of the other pink vanillas that have been released? No, it's not. This is definitely different. It's new. It's not a repackage, which I'm happy with that. Very happy with that. Because I swear to God, it feels like everywhere there's just repackage after repackage. This is a gorgeous scent. Again, though, the longevity was not the best. Like those bright, warm cinnamon notes that you get when you first spray it, like those coffee cake cinnamon notes, they definitely die down a lot within about a half hour's worth of wear. Am I still going to spray the shit out of her? Hell yes, I am. Hell yes, I am. Because she's fire. Oh, she's fire, honey. She's fire. But that longevity. That longevity. Yes, yes, yes. But that is my review and comparison on Very Vanilla from Pink. What did you think? Let me know in the comments down below what you thought if you've sniffed her. I definitely want to hear from y'all. Make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary and get you some Goddess. Oh yes, Goddess, baby, Goddess. She's absolutely gorgeous. I love this. The lights in here don't even do it justice because it's so bright in here. But like, it is fire. And the scent, oh, Oh, it definitely tastes like a banana cream pie. Make sure you get over to Banger Beauty by Mary before these sell out again. And we're at my favorite part, y'all. Ready, ready, ready? Like, comment, subscribe, and ding the bell so you're alerted every single time your girl uploads. And I will see you in the next one. All right, you guys. Bye-bye.